Okay, what's going on here? Whew. I thought I had a MySpace account. It was up, but the damn confirmation email, the link wouldn't work on it. And I'm like, what am I gonna do? I got to get on MySpace so I can have friends, and all this stuff. Got to get in the network so I can have a lot of people out there hunting for Angel, but it just wasn't happening. But then I looked down there and I saw it said, you have one friend, Tom. And it was this sucker right here, this Tom dude. I'm like, no, I don't. I never heard of Tom. Who's Tom? And anyway, it said, Tom can help you. And I thought, well, I'll give it a shot. So I rang up Tom over the internet, and I'm bitching about how the email confirmation link won't come down to get my MySpace account up and going. And the dude really was pretty rude, and he acted like he didn't care. And I'm like, Tom, it says here that you're my friend. Come on, I didn't even ask for you to be my friend, but take responsibility now. You said you was gonna help me. Let's get this MySpace account up and going. And then he's kind of belligerent to me, and I'm like, Tom, now, are you gay? I'll be damned if he didn't send me an email saying that to delete my MySpace account. So it's all over now. So I got to start all over, get different email accounts, because I'm banned from MySpace. I only lasted 45 minutes on MySpace. What kind of shit's that? But anyway, when I get back on, Tom, I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you, buddy. You're going to be my first friend again, okay? And then you tell other people to be my friends, and before we know what's going on, everybody will know about Angel Comet, and me and her will be reunited because of the networking on MySpace. Now, that's how it works, right? Right. Tom, I'm counting on you, buddy. You better show up. I'm going to get me a MySpace thing, and see, I don't have no friends, so I'm counting on you, buddy. You will be my first friend again, okay? Today it was like a miracle, but now I'm counting on it. Okay?